Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing my new, I would say, adapter type thing, mount that I have put on my Traxxas. Oh man, I can't even remember the name, but it's a Traxxas brand, one of those remote controlled cars. So here's just the top. I have the rest charging, and as you can see right here, hopefully, this would be where you put this. And this is that's the mount, and then this is something I use mainly for a stand when I'm not putting it in this mount. And in other videos, this is used a lot. And so now I'll just mount this on, and when my car is all charged up, I will be putting it on. So, okay, so I've got everything charged up. I got the hood and the cover back on the car, and I'll be turning it on, and we'll be heading outside, and we'll see how well this video goes. Okay, we are mounted, and we are gonna tilt the camera, and we're gonna get driving. Now it might be a little bad driving at first, and there might be some snow on the camera, but you never know. It's gonna be an interesting video. Okay, I only get to use one glove, so this might be some. Here we go. The mount just came completely off. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, so I'm back to end the video, and what I didn't make clear at the end of the video was the car hit some snow and the camera went flying off, and there's the hood, and then there's adhesive mount that I had that I stuck on, and then that adhesive came completely off. So I just wanted to make this video while I'm editing it to show you, or not to show you, but to tell you what actually happened. So thanks for watching.